Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and for today's unboxing I thought I'd show you something that I purchased from Amazon. Now this was purchased with the hope that it will work for diamond painting. So it is a case, storage case, as you know I like, but this one is down for essential oils. So it's made to hold essential oils, and it doesn't come with the bottles because of course you're supposed to put your own essential oils in it. It comes with some labels for essential oils, so different names. It also comes with blank colour stickers. Looks like it comes with, seasons as well, or seasoning, and then you have some little adapter that can be used for essential oils. So this asks to leave a review if you like it for your essential oils and an extended warranty. It does also come with a flat piece for going on the top for your essential oils, and it comes with a couple of different pockets. It's not one full pocket, it's like two pockets on either side, and then it comes with what we've seen before in our other type storage, foam with the cutouts for essential oils. Now my thought was that this could hold diamond painting bowls, because this will take 70 bottles and there are ones that take 120. So I wanted to get one to give it a go. Now it's not the cheapest, this was $25.99. The 60 bottle cases I think you can get with the bottles for about between 20 and 25 depending on the seller, depending on the time, because we know Amazon prices go up and down. But I have my case that I got from Parcel that is full of diamond painting bottles, but of course they don't sit the same, and they fit, which is exactly what I wanted. So the idea is that I can make my own by just buying the two components separately. So yeah, so it's 10 per row. Now I'm not actually sure how many bottles were in this case from Parcel's in the first place. I can't quite remember. So let's see how many we can get in. Because I did find with my Minions, I think my Minions, I ended up with an extra bottle or two. Or maybe I didn't. Maybe it's not my Minions I'm thinking of. But I know one of the paintings that Megan has done, the Tinkerbell, that took a bit more than a 60 bottle case. I also know that the next custom painting I'm due to do, which is from Man Huey Rachel, has 70 colours, and of course my Heaven and Earth design has 240, which if it would have been a more recent thing that I've decided to do, instead of buying 4 60 bottle cases to store all my diamonds, I probably would have got the 120 case and ordered 2 of them to store all the diamonds. Where are we up to now? So that's 50 bottles. Does this have 60 or is it just a bit short of 60? It's 58. So this came with 58 bottles. I can use this now for other things because it doesn't have dividers, but it is a nice little case for storing bits and bobs. I've got 58 in here, and I do have, if I can find where I put it, there it is. I do also have this sort of basket that has extra bottles in it. Some of them have been labelled up for using to hold stoppers for diamond painting trays that we're currently printing. I used to keep the sort of different size stoppers that we've got so we can get the perfect fit. I used to keep them in these little bottles because they were handy. They're now in something a bit bigger. So let me see if I've got enough without labels already on. If not, I can take those labels off. But I think I have enough. So there we go. With stuff I already had, if of course you don't have them, it may be a matter of purchasing the bottles, but I do know the bottles on their own are available on the likes of AliExpress. I have created myself a diamond painting case in a lovely pink, so it's a nice different colour. The other pink one that I have is a bright pink, so my 60 bottle case is a bright pink zip. This one is a little deeper because it is for essential oils that come up higher, and then it does have this as well. But you know, maybe you could use it to have that divider and then maybe store your tray and your pens or something in here and shut the lid. You've got a few different options, but I'm happy with that as a 70 bottle case should I ever need it, because our 60 bottle cases seem to be constantly in use because there's always a lot of colours in the big painting. And I know both Megan and myself have a big painting on the go pretty much all the time, that we work on in with smaller ones. But when I am working on maybe a smaller one with a lot of colours, sometimes I do need a 60 bottle case, and at the moment I haven't had one. Sometimes the 42 won't do, but for now this one is earmarked for when I get to do the Manhui Rachel custom that has 70 colours, and I'm sure it will get used in the future, but it's very nice to have all those loose bottles in a case that will work for me. So I will pop the link down below on where you can get this from Amazon. But I'm pretty sure they sell the likes of these on AliExpress as well. So just bear in mind, if you are looking for a case, maybe search something a little bit different. So search essential oil storage and have a look. I will pop the link down below. So even if you're not in the UK or you're not purchasing this one, it will give you an idea of what essential oil storage you need to look for to find a case that will suit you in your area or on your own Amazon or even on AliExpress. But I'm happy, and it's a pretty pink, which is always good. So that's my unboxing for today. I will have an exciting unboxing next week. It is due to arrive today, but it hasn't arrived in time for me to be able to film the video, edit the video, get the video up on YouTube before 4 o'clock. It is due any minute. I am so excited, but I will share that with you in next Wednesday's unboxing. But I do want to say thank you to everybody so much for the comments yesterday. I did have a lovely birthday, and in fact what's due today is something I just decided to treat myself to because I could. And yeah, I felt like I got absolutely spoilt rotten. I took the suggestion somebody said of some items from the White Company. I may have just shared a lot of different items that I'd like with a lot of different people, and I got a lot of said items. So I was a very spoilt girl yesterday. But I do want to thank you all so much for your lovely comments. Yesterday's video went a bit crazy with comments, and I will get round to reading them all very soon. But for today, I have a nice new storage option for 70 bottles, and we'll see how we go. If I end up with another big painting that needs quite a lot of colours, maybe I'll treat myself to the 120 one in the future. I may need to find some shelf space to put it first. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.